In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a client portal in ClickUp. If you're ready to take your client management to the next level, this guide is perfect for you. Having a client portal can completely transform the way you manage relationships. It helps you centralize communication, share project updates, and keep clients informed in real time, all in one organized space. So let's dive right in by getting started with ClickUp. Step 1. Getting started with ClickUp. First, you'll need to navigate to the ClickUp platform. If you don't already have it open, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side of your screen, where you'll find a section labeled Team Spaces. This is where you manage everything related to your team and projects. Think of it as the foundation of your workspace. Step 2. Accessing templates. Go ahead and locate the 3 dots typically found beside this section. This icon serves as a menu that allows you to access additional options, kind of like a hidden control panel for managing your workspace. Next, click on these 3 dots to open up a submenu. From the options available, select Templates. Templates in ClickUp are a huge time saver. They help you work more efficiently by reusing structures that have been proven effective. Instead of building from scratch, you can start with a professional layout and customize it for your client's needs. Templates are especially powerful when creating something as comprehensive as a client portal, since they come pre-configured with folders, lists, and automations that streamline your setup. Step 3. Browsing ClickUp's template library. Once you've clicked on Templates, look for the Browse Templates button. This will take you to ClickUp's vast library of templates, covering everything from project management to CRM and client operations. When you're ready, click on Browse Templates to find a preset that suits your needs. In the search bar that appears, type in the word client. This specific search query filters out templates that are designed for client communication, onboarding, or management. You'll notice how ClickUp's library organizes templates into categories and use cases. This makes it much easier to find something aligned with your workflow. Step 4. Refining and selecting your template. As you scroll through the available options, look to the boxes under template types to refine your search further. You can filter by spaces, folders, or lists, depending on how you want your portal structured. Take your time to explore the suggested templates. Each one is designed for a slightly different purpose. Some focus on client onboarding, others on ongoing project collaboration or status reporting. If you manage multiple clients, choose a template that can be easily duplicated for each one. This will make scaling your process seamless later on. When you've found a template that fits your business needs, click on it to preview its setup. This gives you a snapshot of how the lists, tasks, and dashboards are organized before committing. Step 5. Applying the template and customizing your space. Once you've found the ideal template, it's time to put it into action. Click on Use Template to begin the customization process. You'll be prompted to type in a name for this new space. Name it Client Portal so it's easy to locate and manage in the future. When you're done, click Use Template again to confirm. At this point, your new client portal will be created within ClickUp, offering you a streamlined space to engage, communicate, and collaborate with your clients effectively. Step 6. Making it your own. Optional enhancements. Now that your portal is set up, take a few extra minutes to personalize it. You can add your company logo or brand colors to make the space more professional. Create custom views like active projects or client feedback. Set up automations to notify clients when milestones are reached, and integrate tools like Google Drive, Slack, or Calendly for a seamless client experience. These small touches can go a long way in making your portal feel polished and user-friendly. And that's it! Congratulations! You've now built a client portal in ClickUp. This powerful tool will help you enhance your client interactions, improve transparency, and elevate your overall project management workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future ClickUp and productivity tutorials. Thank you for tuning in today, and as always, happy ClickUpping!